Hi guys, my name is Patrick and welcome to my vlog. And for today's tutorial ay ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano ba natin isinasagawa yung pag-uninstall ng certain programs sa ating Windows PC or laptop. So para matanggal or ma-remove yung program, ang first na gagawin natin is just search on the search bar sa ating PC yung control panel. So, i-click lang natin yan. And mag-o-open yung windows ng control panel kung saan makikita natin yung programs. So, under ng programs, i-click lang natin yung uninstall a program. Upon clicking the uninstall program, madi-display lahat ng list ng programs na currently installed sa inyong laptop or PC. So, pwede niyang tingnan yung list na yan kung meron dyang mga unfamiliar programs or mga programs na hindi mo nagagamit na sa tingin mo ay kailangan mo nang tanggalin. So, paano nga ba natin ina-uninstall yung program na yan? For instance, we are going to remove the Internet Download Manager for this example. So, para ma-uninstall, i-right click lang natin yung specific program na yan using a mouse. Click lang natin yung uninstall/change. And after that, merong dialog na lalabas wherein ito na yung procedure para ma-remove natin yung program na gusto nating tanggalin. So for this example, click lang natin yung full option para ma-uninstall natin entirely yung program na gusto nating matanggal. And then click lang natin yung next and click natin yung finish. And just wait for a while. And ayun, ganun na kadali and the application is now uninstalled to our computer. So after uninstalling that program, some application is requiring na mag-restart ng PC para ma-remove entirely yung program. Pero some of the application is you don't need to restart your computer para matanggal siya completely. So ganun lang. Thank you for watching.